Today we reach the hardest stage of the hunger and starvation here in Gaza City. Everyone is suffering for months now, more than 2 years of this genocide that killing the people in every possible way. The sadness in their eyes asking for food, looking for aid. The borders are still closed and no one is doing anything. Today with Aghosh Al-Khidmat USA, we are here to put a light for the people of Gaza and give them a small hope with distribution these vegetables for the most people in need here in many camps. Everyone lost a lot and we are still losing so much. So be the hand to support Aghosh Al-Khidmat USA so you can reach the heart of the people of Gaza.